Need an ambulance? An armored or security vehicle? Or soft-skin vehicle? Then Dazzle is your best choice. You imagine, we build. At Dazzle, our goals are simple: your safety, security, and comfort. We bring together innovation, quality, and excellence to provide customized solutions for all your automotive needs. From Toyota to Lexus, Nissan to Chevrolet, Renault to Ford, and GMC to Land Rover, we've got the best diversified vehicles for you. Fortified enough to save your life. Tough enough to resist gunfire. Innovative enough to suit your lifestyle. Dazzle is one of the leading suppliers of high-quality customized vehicle conversions in the UAE. With exceptional expertise in ambulances, armored security vehicle, and soft-skin vehicles. We render our services globally. Our conversion solutions include designing, modifications, and reconfigurations for a wide range of vehicles of diverse categories. Dazzle takes your safety and security so seriously that we meet the highest safety and security standards in all our conversions. Each stage of the production process is tracked and recorded, and our vehicles undergo a thorough quality checking process during our pre-delivery inspection. Our customized vehicles are known for their unmatched quality and durability. We're available anytime to provide you with more information, to answer any questions you may have, and to build the best solution for your needs. Just reach out to us through the live chat on our website, or through phone call, email, or Facebook, and our experts will assist you. The process of receiving your customized vehicle is quite simple. First, we understand your requirements and provide a quote accordingly. Next, you make a down payment to us through any of the payment options, such as bank transfers, TT payments, cash deposits, or checks, and we secure the vehicle for you. If conversions are required, we build the conversions within the timelines provided. Once the vehicle's ready, you make the full payment and the vehicle will be shipped to your destination port. All the required documents will be couriered via DHL. Dazzle. You imagine, we build.